Hello friends, let us today start a new topic that is of lipids, and this part 1 presentation deals with the classification of lipids and the structure of fatty acids. Lipids are the compounds which are sparingly soluble in water but show solubility in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, benzene, hot alcohol and petroleum ether. So basically these are of hydrophobic nature, and they also contain a hydrophilic group, that is COOH group. So they are amphipathic. Examples are oils, fatty acids, waxes, steroids, etc. What are the different functions of lipids? Some lipids, they are the storage compounds for the reserve energy of the body, such as triglycerides, which are present in the fat cells of the body called as adipocytes. Then lipids are important components of cell membranes. We have already seen the structure of fluid and mosaic model of cell membrane, each in which lipids are present with polar heads and non-polar tails. So they are the components of cell membranes. In nerve fibers, the myelin sheath contains lipids which act as electrical insulators. Some hormones are lipid, for example, steroidal hormones like male sex hormone testosterone and female sex hormone estradiols are steroids, and steroids are lipids. Then some lipids act as carriers of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K, like that. So this is here it is shown the classification of lipids. Lipids are classified as simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids are fats and oils, and then other type is of simple lipids are waxes. Compound lipids are phospholipids and glycolipids. And derived lipids, they are of three types: steroids, terpenes, and carotenoids. So let us see the classification of lipids in little bit of details. Then lipids are, we have seen that they are classified as simple lipids and compound lipids, and simple lipids are fats and waxes. So what are fats? Fats, they contain fatty acid and glycerol, and waxes, they contain fatty acids plus alcohol other than glycerol. Compound lipids are phospholipids, glycolipids, and derived lipids. Phospholipids may be either glycerophospholipids or sphingophospholipids. In glycerophospholipids, lipid, that is phosphoric acid, is present along with fatty acids and glycerol. So glycerol, fatty acids and phosphoric acids are present in glycerophospholipids. And in sphingophospholipids, amine alcohol sphingosine is present along with fatty acids, phosphoric acids and choline. In glycolipids contain sphingosine, again the amine alcohol sphingosine, plus fatty acids plus glucose or galactose. So one monosaccharide sugar is present in glycolipids. Derived lipids may be either steroids, terpenes or carotenoids. Steroids contain cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene nucleus and various derivatives of this cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene nucleus. They are different types of steroids. And terpenes, they have hydrocarbon made up of isoprene units. Simple lipids, they are esters of fatty acid with alcohol. So what are the fatty acids? Fatty acids are carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon chain of 4 to 36 carbons. They have a single carboxyl group and a long non-polar hydrocarbon chain, which gives most lipids their hydrophobic and oily nature. Here the example is shown, a 16 carbon fatty acid. So two parts are shown, non-polar and polar. So non-polar is the long chain of hydrocarbon and polar group is COO minus group. Fatty acids which occur in natural fats are monocarboxylic acids. Fatty acids do not occur in free state but are present in lipids. Commonly occurring fatty acids contain even number of carbon atoms and they are unbranched. There are two types of fatty acids, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids, they contain only single bonds and they do not contain double bonds. Like here, two examples are shown. CH3, CH2 14 times COOH. Total carbon atoms 16. So it is hexadecanoic acid and its common name is palmitic acid. Another example is shown, CH3, CH2 16 times COOH. So total carbon atoms 18. So octadecanoic acid. Its common name is stearic acid. And here at the bottom, the chain, hydrocarbon chain along with COH group is shown. Unsaturated fatty acids, they contain one or more double bonds. Like here shown, first is oleic acid, that is 18 carbon unsaturated fatty acids having one double bond. Then palmitic acid, 16 carbon unsaturated fatty acid, palmitoleic acid having 16 carbon chain with one double bond. Then we have linoleic acid, that is of 18 carbons with two double bonds. Linolenic acid with 18 carbons and 3 double bonds. Double bonds in unsaturated fatty acids have the cis configuration. It is shown in the right hand side box, cis configuration of the double bond. We have seen that 18 carbon fatty acid is stearic acid, which is saturated with no double bonds. If it has one double bond, then it is oleic acid. The double bond is at 9th position. It is shown here, delta 9. Then 18 carbon fatty acid with two double bonds at 9th and 12th position, that is linoleic acid. Then 18 carbon fatty acid with 3 double bonds at 9th, 12th and 15th carbon of the hydrocarbon chain is linolenic acid. So here palmitic acid is shown, which is a straight chain which is saturated on the top. Saturated fatty acid, that is palmitic acid, which is a straight chain molecule, and on the bottom unsaturated unsaturated fatty acid, linolenic acid, is shown. So here see, 3 double bonds are present, and these double bonds are producing a kink or bend in the chain of fatty acid. Simple lipids are of two types, fats and waxes. So what are fats? They are esters of fatty acids with glycerol. Here the structure of glycerol, a 3 carbon compound, is shown containing 3 hydroxyl groups. In simple fats, the glycerol is esterified at every hydroxyl group with a fatty acid chain. These are called as triglycerides like CH2COOCR1, CH2OOCR2, CH2OOCR3. So R1, R2 and R3 are different fatty acids esterified to glycerol molecule. Example here is tristereoglycerol or tristerine, containing stearic acid at all the 3 hydroxyl groups of glycerol. Such fats containing single kind of fatty acids in all the 3 positions are called simple or symmetrical triglycerides. Example is tripalmitine, triestyrene, like that. Most of the triglycerides of natural origin are mixed or asymmetrical triglyceride like oleodipalmitine, in which oleic acid and palmitic acid both are esterified to glycerol molecule at different positions. So it is a mixed triglyceride. The other type of simple lipids are waxes. These are esters of long chain of fatty acid with long chain monohydroxy alcohol. Like here shown, palmitic acid is esterified to hexacosanol. This is present in beeswax. So the compound form is hexacosenyl palmitate. So instead of glycerol, a long chain fatty alcohol is present, hexacosanol. So such compounds are called as waxes. So in this presentation, we have seen classification of lipids, then structure of fatty acids and structure of simple lipids. In next presentation, we will see the structure of compound lipids. Thank you.